Now take a good look at this. Making money online doesn't come any better. Now I'm going to show you series of emails. As you can see, series of emails of how much I got paid daily. You can see on this day I made $14.4. On this day I made 14.4. On this day I made 16 here, 14.4, 12.8, 12.8. Now all the way down, and I signed up on the first mail here. You can see around here you will see September 18. Okay, September 18 I sign up. Okay, and on September 22 I start making money. September 22, you can see here you have made, you can see now you have made a $16 on Blackgold affiliate today. Okay, so that's how I keep on making money from this website called Blackgold affiliate. Simple as ABC. I'm going to go to the website right now. Now take a look at this. I've made $269. $269. Let's see if I have calculator here on my laptop real quick. Let's pull it up and do a simple calculation. Okay, okay, awesome. So let's do 269. Let's multiply that by 560 and let's see what we get. Okay, that is 150,000. Look at it here, 150,640 in less than 3 weeks. Okay, from a single website. Now I know that is a lot of earnings compared to the way we earn in Nigeria currently, compared to our minimum wage, right? To earn that in 3 weeks without leaving the comfort of my room, without doing anything too serious. Now let's get back to the website and how you can replicate this same process and make some money for yourself. Simple as ABC. You can see today also I've earned $12 today. Look at here, $12 right here. That is what I've earned today. You can see my balance is $38.6. If you go to my withdrawals, you see how much I've withdrawn so far from this platform. You can see 36, 30, 80, 115 and $15. This is when I withdrew last on the October 7th. Okay, so it's simple as that. This is Blackgold affiliate. Now your next question is, okay, what is Blackgold affiliate? So Blackgold affiliate is an investment and affiliate marketing platform. Okay, it's simple as that. You can invest and you can decide not to invest and just market their affiliate products and make up to 45% commission. Now where are the affiliate products? Let's click on products. Okay, sorry, I meant to click on product. So here we go. Look at affiliate product right here. So you can see 6-figure crypto course. We have e-commerce masterclass. We have e-commerce takeover. We have affiliate marketing crash course. We have A to Z multi-profit site creation blueprint. We have 28 days from inception to cash products. So these are products. Okay, these are premium products that you can promote and make 45% commission. So let's try 45 commission of $70 and let's see how much that is going to give us. Okay, so we click on here. I have to cancel that. Then we check on 45%. That is a 0.45 of 70. Okay, multiply that by 70 and you see that is 31.5. so you can make as high as 31.5. That is roughly, let's multiply that by 560 and let's see what we get. You can make roughly as high as 17,640 on a single product. That is your affiliate commission on a single product. Now there are a lot of ways you can promote this product and make money with it. Probably I'll cover that in other videos. Okay, based on popular demand. If I see a lot of people demanding me to do that, I'm going to do that. So these are affiliate products you can make commissions from if you refer anybody and they buy this. Now that is number one way of making money. The second way is through investment. Okay, through investment. Let's click on plans. Now if the page come up, you are going to see investment packages that you yourself can invest into and make some daily returns. Now the daily return is not way too high, but it is still reasonable. Okay, you get around 1.5% to 2% daily on all these investments. 1.5 to 2% daily. Okay, that's what I've been making. Now the network is quite bad. I do not know why. So okay, let's keep going. So I'm on the Ruby package. So the smallest package they have on here is about $25. Okay, so it keeps on going from 25 to 50 to 100, 200, 400, 800, 1600, and 3200. So I'm on the $800 package. Okay, I'm on the $800 package, and I make within $12 to $16 every single day. Now, how long can I keep on making this? They say it's for 1 year. Okay, once you pay once, your subscription lasts for a year. Okay, after a year, before you can be asked to subscribe again. Now, that is the second way of making money with this platform. That is the second way of making money with this platform. Now, the third way is through referral commission. Now, if you refer someone, sorry, network is bad, but we are back online. So if you refer someone and the person register on any of the packages, you get about 10% commission. Okay, let me click on referrals. Okay, referrals. So if I click on referrals, we should see the percentage. Okay, this is getting bad. Okay, this network is getting really bad. So you can see you get 10% commission off your referral package amount once your referral upgrades. So if you refer anybody and they upgrade, you get 10%. Okay, you get 10% referral commission. So you can see my total commission is $25. Okay, so let's say you refer someone that is going for the package of $80 or $800. Your 10% is $80 per referral. Okay, so the person is going for that of $25, you get 2.5, 100 you get 10, 200 you get 20. Okay, 10%, basically that's what you get. Now, the other ways of making money, let's click on products. Now look at this. It says as an affiliate, you will be able to list your product with us. We are looking to open our product platform to all our affiliates soon. Now, that is a very good opportunity. So all these products here that are owned by the website, in times to come, you are going to see a lot of products on this page, a lot of products. And once there are a lot of products on this page, people will be able to list their products and you can make sales from it. Okay, so if you are good at making a product but you are not good at social media marketing or whatever, then you can just create your product and put it on this website. Okay, and you'll be able to make money. So those that are good with the affiliate marketing, whatever, or the product sales and marketing and the likes, they can go ahead and promote your products. Then you get they get a commission while you get a sale. Okay, so it's simple as ABC. So that being said, so let's move on to how can you tap into this opportunity. Now, you've seen the various way, about 4 ways you can make money from this platform, which is through investment or through affiliate commission, referral commission, and by listing your own product. Okay, that is the 4 ways. How do you get started? Now, the link to register is going to be in the comment section and also in the description section below. Okay, just click on the link, straightforward, and create your account. Now, if you create your account, you will want to fund it. Okay, now people have been having issue with that, and I think this is quite straightforward. You can use services like Binance, like Remitano, Trust Wallet, whichever wallet of your choice. Okay, you can use it to fund this website, and they only accept USDT. Okay, only stable coins. Now let's take a look at the home page. That is written on the home page that they only accept stable coins. Okay, let's go down a bit. You can see we accept USDT ERC20, USDC, then USDT TRC20. Okay, this one is for the Tron based, this one is for the Ethereum based, and this one USDC. Okay, this for Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase. Okay, simple as that. Let me go back to my accounts. These are the ways you can fund this. Now, to fund this website, it's simple. Okay, you click on deposit. Look at deposit right here. You click on deposit. Now then, this is where you are. Then you choose the currency. Okay, you want to send. You choose the currency. It's either USDC, USDT TRC20, or USDT ERC20. They have USDT TRC20. Okay, now this, if you are sending from Binance or any other one, you don't really have an issue. But if you are spending from Trust Wallet, try to be sure of the compatibility of your USDT. Probably it is ERC20 or TRC20, so you have to specify right here. Okay, but if you are sending from Binance, doesn't matter. Okay, just choose TRC20. That is Tron based, and the fee is just $1 or thereabout. So you click on USDT TRC20, then you write the number you want to deposit, probably 100. Now, if you want to deposit 100, say kindly add an extra 10% of your intended subscription plan to your deposit, learn why. If you click on learn why, it explains why you need to add 10% to it. Now this is they are going to use the 10% extra to set up your affiliate commission, okay, your affiliate profile or whatever. So that's where you'll be able to participate in all the services. Now, can you choose to opt out of that? No, that is how they operate. So if you want to deposit $100, that is going to cost you 110. So you can specify 110 right here. So it says the amount is 110. You click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, you see an address like this, okay, and the value you are going to send. Okay, it's very simple. You copy this address, okay, you take it to maybe your Binance, your Luno, your Remitano, your Roku, your Trust Wallet. You paste this address there, okay, and specify you are sending 110. Okay, now the amount to take $1 charge if you don't have much on or the leftover balance. So be sure that you are sending 110. You click on send. Then you don't have to close this page, okay, you have to wait. So once you send it and this interface recognize that you sent it, okay, it goes to confirmation, okay, it keep on waiting for it to get confirmed. After that, it's completed and the money appears right here on your dashboard. Okay, once the money appears there, then you can move on to your plans. Okay, you can go to your plans, click on any one of them. Okay, just click on buy. Okay, you click on buy, there's going to tell you do not have enough funds to purchase. Okay, you also have to add an activation fee. So let's say if I have the required amount now, I might be able to purchase the plan. It says it will congratulate you, you've purchased the plan, you're good to go. Then fine, you start earning. Okay, probably after 24 hours your first commission will come in. Now you keep on getting it every 24 hours and you can withdraw. And what is the least amount you can withdraw? It's $5. When you click on withdrawals, no, sorry, go to earnings. Yeah, earnings. You go to earnings. Now the lowest amount, it says we charge a withdrawal fee of 1.5. okay, so now let's click on withdraw funds. Let me try something here. So I'm going to click that one to withdraw just four, so that we'll see what it say your minimum withdrawal is 5. Okay, let's try something above minimum. Then let's try 6. So it says you can only request an amount in multiples of 5. E.g., you have $5, 10, 20, 50. So you can request for $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, all the way up. Okay, in multiples of 5. So once you have $5, you can place withdrawal. Okay, simple as ABC. You can place your withdrawal and you get it in your wallet. Okay, this is the opportunity. This is the website I've been earning from. So if you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to do that. This is a good opportunity. Try as much as possible to like this video, because when you like my video, more people will see it. Like this video, drop a comment. If you have any question, I'll reply all my comments. So drop a comment or feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp and I'll be able to attend to you with further inquiries that you might have about this wonderful opportunity. So thank you guys for staying till the end of this video and I hope to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.